Mastering English, the Power of Reporting Verbs. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another lesson where we delve into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an essential topic in English communication: reporting verbs. We'll take a close look at how to use them correctly, especially when dealing with reported speech in English. Let's get started. So, what exactly are reporting verbs? These are verbs we use to report what someone else has said. Simple examples include say, tell, and ask. But there's a whole range of reporting verbs that can help us be more specific and descriptive in our language. We use these verbs to paraphrase someone's words, keeping the meaning intact but altering the modality, the way the statement is expressed. Now let's dive into some common reporting verbs. Remember, the verb you choose can dramatically affect the meaning of your sentence. 1. Agree, when someone consents to a proposition or idea. 2. For example, he agreed that the movie was fantastic. 3. Suggest, when someone puts forth a proposal. 4. For example, she suggested going to the beach on Sunday. 5. Claim, when someone asserts something as the truth, often without providing proof. 6. For example, they claim to have seen a UFO. 7. Deny, when someone refutes or dismisses a statement or accusation. 8. For example, he denied being at the scene of the crime. 9. Insist, when someone firmly maintains a statement or demand. 10. For example, she insisted that she had turned off the lights. When using reporting verbs in reported speech, the modal verbs often change. This is a crucial point to remember. For instance, 1. Will often changes to would. 2. Direct speech. I will call you tomorrow, he said. 3. Reported speech. He said that he would call me tomorrow. 4. Can changes to could. 5. Direct speech. I can swim, she said. 6. Reported speech. She said that she could swim. And there you have it, folks. By mastering the use of reporting verbs, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more effective and nuanced English communicator. Remember, it's all about practice, so try using these new verbs in your daily English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.